Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says if the plane this, so there is a plane, divides the line segment joining the point this and this. So, the plane is dividing the line segment joining this point and this point in the ratio 9:1. Then you need to find out value of k. So, look at this how we will solve this problem. So, the first, we will try to draw the diagram of the plane. It's random. You can go in any way. Okay. Now, suppose that this is your plane and plane is 2x minus 3y plus 5z minus 2 equals to 0. So, this is your plane. Now, the plane is dividing the line segment. Suppose that so we have this thing. Now, suppose the diagram is correct. Now, this point is 1, 2, 3. And this point is, I feel that this is something wrong. Little bit more orientation should be there. Now look at this. Suppose that this is another point 2, 1k. And this is your point B. Now, this plane is dividing the line segment joining AB in the ratio 9:1. So 9 from which direction? 9 from first point. Okay. So 9 is this, 1 is this. So in this is what? This is your point of intersection. Suppose it is P. So first try to find out value of P. So you guys can apply the section formula over here. So can I say that the point P would be 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 1 by 10, then 9 plus 2 by 10, then 9k plus 3 by 10. So we got our point P, correct? We need to find out the value of k. Now, don't you think that this point P is lying on the plane? Correct? So if the point P is lying on the plane, it will satisfy the plane. Okay, so if it will satisfy, you can also satisfy the point on the plane. So it is 2 times 19 by 10, then minus 3 times minus 3 times 11 by 10 plus 5 times 9k plus 3 by 10 and then minus 2. Now what I will do, I will multiply both sides by 10. Okay, so it is 38, it is 33, it is minus 33. Okay, so it is 45k 15 minus 20. Okay, so now try to find out value of k. So if you will simplify things, so if you add this and this, it will become 53. Okay, if you will add this and this, you will have 43, 53. So this thing will be neutralized. So the value of k will come out to be 0. Okay, therefore the required value of k is 0. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.